For you end up like wall, 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 like wall, wall, wall. I need you out to Jamaica relaxing. I know that's right. Oh damn. Give me about an hour. Child, I completely forgot. Thank God I got these clip-ins. We are running late. We are going out with the girls, and I wanted something a little bit different. Like, my hair is straight, but I really want it to be longer. I'm really going for that bust down kind of look, you know what I'm saying? And today's video is sponsored by CurlsQueen. However, we are not doing curly clip-ins this time. They have some Yaki textured clip-ins that I have been dying to try, and that is what we're going to be doing, and it matches my straight hair perfectly. So I figured we should go ahead and dive right in. And this is what it's given. Okay, I got 18 inches and I've already washed, let it air dry, and they're all ready to install. My hair is already straightened and my hair is pretty long. She really holding her weight. But like I said, we're trying to get a bust down. Now, I'm only going to use one bundle of hair. It comes with 2 5 clips, 2 4 clips, 2 3 clips, 4 2 clips. However, I think 2 of them are a little bit longer than the other 2, but not by like a lot. That's quite a bit of clip-ins, and I'm going to show y'all how I put them in. I straighten my hair on 400 degrees, and I also use, let me show y'all what I use because it has some new stuff. The Sacred Heat Activated Silk Glaze and the Thermal Shield Mist. I use these two, and I will say my hair feels a little bit different. Like in a good way. I think I'm gonna start with a middle part for this because like I said, we want to bust down. I want the first clip to be on the smallest amount of hair because you don't want to see like a lot of hair hanging down. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do a 2 clip. I'm just gonna take my 2 clip. Combs are open. I make sure I put it into my hair and click, click. And that right there, y'all. Nice and secured, and then you basically just continue to go up in the same manner. I just part off a little section, a 3 clip here, just like that. Can y'all see? We're getting longer, friend. Period. Feels so secure too. I don't part this off with like a comb or anything. I like it to be natural parts where my hair naturally want to separate. You don't want to force anything. And then I measure to see how wide and which clip I need based on my head. So don't actually go by my clips. Go by your own head. Like check to see what fits. Because you don't want it bunched up. You want it to be as flat as possible. So if it's bunched up, then that piece might be too long for that. Make sure you comb and kind of merge it all together as you're going. And look at the blend, y'all. Like my hair is here. Y'all see that? That's my hair. You know, my hair stopped right there. But when you comb it, it's given, right? I could have parted that a little better, but you know, it's okay. I feel like that looks so good. All right, let's keep going, friends. I always part with my thumbs, though. I feel like that's better. I don't know if that's true or not, but it feels better. All right, now I'm going to do a 5 clip because I feel like it's going like, whoop, like all the way around my head. And I'm going to try to get that center clip in the middle and work my way out. These clip-ins are so full. It's like I don't even think I'm going to need all of these. Ooh, it feels so good. I can't even hold you. It feels so good. I feel like it looks good, but it feels good for sure. All I'm saying is the half up, half down would so eat. Like, what? What? How cute is she? Okay, we're not doing it though. We're doing the bust down. I gotta get it together. I gotta get it together, girls. I'm gonna bring it to the front and kind of take a look and see where we need to put hair. We haven't put any in the front. This is not meant to be blended. Now we're gonna go this way and layer some in, but we only have 3 2 clips. So we're probably gonna have to do another round. We're gonna take our edges out first. Go in like this and around. It may be able to do a 5 clip. Let's see. Look at that. Look at how that's laying already. It's just like covering up that other. Look at that. Oh yeah. She in there. I'm trying to fit as much as I can, y'all. Make sure you got enough here to cover that track. Do not play them ghetto games, okay? Do not play those ghetto games. It's never that important. If you're gonna see that track, you might as well take it out. It's not that important. Okay. And now we're just gonna add some 2 clips to kind of add some more volume up in here, you know? Little 2 clippies. And make sure you do not add it to the hairline. No, no, no. Take it back. Take it back. Sometimes I like to pick up my hair just a tad bit like that so I can put that clip into like more hair. Because you don't want it to be hanging on like a thin piece of hair. And voila. And now we have a bust down. Well, it ain't in the middle, but we need to straighten this part for sure. When the clip-ins look this good before you even curl them, it's already a winner. It's already a winner, chicken dinner. Like, check us out. We haven't curled the hair yet. My hair hasn't been curled. The hair hasn't been curled. But these are the results already. What? Huh? What was said? Huh? Oh, I thought you said something. You ain't saying that. You ain't saying that. What? We do have 2 clips left. I have a 3 clip left and a 2 clip left. I decided to do some pin curls. They probably don't look like much, but I'm almost done. I'll try to link below which barrel this is, y'all, because I really have no idea. I'm really not seeing where my hair ends once I curl it. I'm like, oop. Oop. Let me find out. And voila. Everything is all clipped up. I'm gonna go get dressed and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look. Shoulders are out. I want my hair to be the statement. Okay. I have this holding spray from Sacred. Their flexible holding spray. Maybe. Wait, that's a good curl. Smells good. Finger comb. Oh yeah. I think it's giving. And I think it's cute. Such a change and it's so long. Like, check us out, Fren. Check us out. The blend goes crazy. Okay, look at the blend. Check out the blend. Okay. Check out the blend, friend. Check out the blend. Check out the blend. Check out the blend. Check. It's so cute. It's so fun. And it gives you the variety without you having to commit. Because who's trying to commit in 2026? Nobody. I don't know if I showed y'all, if I haven't showed y'all, but this is the packaging that it came in. Super cute box, and it came with some other accessories that I have been using, so I don't even know where they at. I ain't gonna hold y'all. So we have 2 extra clips. So if this ain't thick enough for you, you could add some more. You could always add some more, but I think this is a lot. All right, y'all, I have to go, but I will have everything linked in the description bar below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.